Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the line, circle, rotate, and hatch tools. First, to open the snap setting options. Click on Clear All. In this tutorial, you'll only need to turn on endpoint, midpoint, and intersection. Then click on OK. Click on the Line tool, and you can click anywhere on the model space to start the line. Click again to specify the endpoint of the line. Press Escape key to exit the Line tool. Select the line you just created and press the Delete key to delete the line. Now click on the Line tool again, click anywhere on the model space to specify a starting point, and move your mouse to choose a direction of the line. Type 10 and enter. This means the length of the line will be 10 units. Right-click and choose Enter to close the Line tool. Click on the Rotate tool and click on the line you just created. Right-click to confirm the selection. Now you need to pick a base point for the rotation. Move your mouse close to the midpoint of the line. The midpoint snap will turn on automatically and click on the midpoint. Type C and press Enter. This will make a copy of the line instead of only rotating the line. Move your mouse to pick the direction of the rotation and click to confirm the rotation. Click on the Circle tool, then move the mouse to the intersection of the lines. Click on the intersection to specify the center point of the circle. Click on the end of the line to specify the radius of the circle. Click on the Hatch tool, then click on inside of the enclosed area as shown. Right-click and select Enter to confirm the hatch area. Click the hatch area again, right-click and select Hatch Edit. Click the hatch pattern and choose any pattern that you need. In this tutorial, you can select the solid pattern. Click OK to confirm the pattern change. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.